MPCC President Gai Khangam demands BJP government to produce white paper on recent overdraft issue. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham warns of strict actions against owners of oil pumps faking shortage of fuel. Governor P.B. Acharya urges students to acquire skills and not mere degrees to curb unemployment crisis. An unknown miscreant killed suspected proscribed UK left town commander in Moray town around noon. CSOs called burn in Moray till 6 p.m. of July 14. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Chusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Gai Khangam asserted that Congress will secure more than 40 seats in the coming 2022 Assembly election. He claimed that people have lost trust in the present BJP government and maintained that BJP MLAs have themselves admitted that the present state government is unstable. Gai Khangam was speaking at the one-day interaction program of polling station workers of Haingang constituency organized by Haingang Block Congress Committee at Haingang Mayailekai today. Gai Khangam lambasted the BJP-led state government for failing to notice the plights facing people of the state in their power struggle, asserting that BJP government is swamped with political and financial crisis. He blamed the present government for leading to the recent overdraft situation due to its ineffectiveness and instability. Gai Khangam demanded the state government to produce a white paper of the inquiry committee's report on the recent overdraft issue at the earliest. The MPCC president commended the Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly for looking upon the complaints against some MLAs who defected from Congress to BJP. He urged the Speaker to award legal punishments to MLA defectors. He asserted that Congress party is gearing up right from booth level and block level to strengthen to accomplish its mission 2022. The MPCC president proclaimed that Congress party will emerge successful in the coming 2022 Assembly election to re-establish peace and stability in the state.
Prajaki Seva Todre, Nibramus Penhangam, Madame the Quay, Land, Horibani, Hibus Canan, Hybrid, BJP, Congress, the Hybro, Karamba Party, the Hybro, Noquim Sen Hybe. Me couldn't tram the power of the Penhangam, Manipur Pazala, Kungam Mapan, the Kamai Penhing Gadorino, Messi Prazas Yariba, Sakara, Sakana Tabra. Hybedo, Equi, Kangum Toya. Can the say Nadana, Emu Mununi, hide of a show, can the say Nadana, Maramana, Power Munavadagi, Pazab, 100 to Bigano. Was it? Har Pangiga Pangiga, Ishing Saurakada Akiba, Ikangam Torakada Akiba, Chain Kizima del Humpu Paper Kansada, Trakerman Hinga the Gay Habise, Pazagi, Awabadu Neva, Mado, Tarisha Kandaba Mackay, but do not taina Tamakanda, Ay, Masaki, Ojakta, Mangoyana, Toreba, Ajigumban, Sensiki, Lalong, Lance.
Taking part in the public meet, MPCC spokesperson Khumukcham Joy Kishan criticized the BJP as a party devoid of principles and ideologies. He alleged that BJP MLAs are fighting among each other to gain power, ignoring the plights facing the people. While MPCC Secretary P. Sarachandra alleged that residents of Haingang constituency are suffering despite Haingang being the home constituency of the state chief minister. He claimed that large sums of money were collected from people of the constituency with the promise of providing them with jobs, but the helpless people are now spending their lives in rental homes.
Hojik sarkar si kedaurige hojik ikang thopagi lauthokani mohai hojik lausing Hoi Hangang the river ma'am, Adagi Nakan Tari ma'am, see Awa ma'am, see Udana, power politics in a Hoi Masen Pumgin in Munalane. Quieting up MLA local area, Fun Habasi, financial leader, Horaga, Hoi Nonju Pantagi, Lambi, Tongshin, Wishing, Chowlang, Bangak, Tokasin Tonaba, Miami Tozabaneb. Aquin Mamang that with the Miami Tony in a BJP in a lock to pick of the Subsan Tore, which you the local area, Pantadok the lane. Congress at Tawangam, the ma'am Tony is here, Pramanama period, the local area, Pantadokangam selected.
Manipur gi amadi Bharat ta leiriba hoji luching puren woiriba NDA sarkar amadi Manipur gi BJP sarkar masidi hojik ki ngam shet laga char ga loire haiba wafam sida rajniti tawi hoi hojik ti makhoi nungai ba yai adu makhoi gi tungi punsi da di machine makhoi gi mamai da amuba qualification gene haibise rajniti tawriba leader singna khangbi da badona taw.
Meanwhile, BJP Manipur Pradesh launched BJP's nationwide membership drive at Noni district today. President of BJP Tamenglong district and enrollment in charge of Tamenglong district, M. Daniel Malangmai, graced the event held at Lamdangmai village community hall in Nungba constituency of Noni district. Speaking at the event, M. Daniel Malangmai criticized that Gai Khangam, who served as Nungba constituency MLA for 7 terms, fails to construct even a single community hall at Laphok village, which is in Nungba constituency. He appeals to Chief Minister Nongthongwan Bireen to construct a community hall for the village without further delay. Speaking at the event, former president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, S.H. Shantikumar, stated that nationwide BJP membership drive launched on July 6 aims to enroll at least 15 crore individuals into the BJP.
Honorable Minister and Guarantee 17 industry is the headquarters of the Impali Lumba Dasrenali, Impali Kamso, Kenaupa, Paigo, Sanapti, Surasanpo, Sapra, Congress Yam and his people have to be able to get Satala as he said, BJP, the
Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA has submitted a memorandum to Governor P.B. Acharya to protect the state's territorial boundary and to resolve ongoing political crisis in the state. Speaking on the sidelines at Shiv Sena State Unit Office today, MDA co-convener Surjit termed the ongoing tussle over leadership posts by some descendant MLAs as unfortunate. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham has warned that strict actions will be taken against those oil pumps that shut down, faking shortage of fuel, taking advantage of the current deplorable condition of the national highways. The minister warned that strict actions including cancellation of license will be taken against those oil pumps owner. Karam Sham assured that there is sufficient gasoline and gas cylinders in stock for the state. The minister was addressing a public gathering at Lilong Chajing Mairenkong today. Retaliating to recent controversies over misappropriation of rice grains under NAFSA scheme for beneficiaries of Khurai constituency, Minister Karam Sham asserted that Khurai MLA never approached him personally regarding non-distribution of rice grains to beneficiaries in Khurai constituency. Minister Karam Sham also stated that acting on a complaint filed by people of Khurai regarding misappropriation of food grains for 5 months, a committee was formed to probe the matter and its report was also submitted to the higher authority, for which the response is being awaited. Stating that residents of Langtabal filed complaints if distribution of food grains is delayed even by a couple of days to the local MLA, Minister Karam Sham expressed astonishment that beneficiaries of Khurai chose to be patient even when they were denied food grains for 5 months. He further claimed that there is proof to show that Khurai MLA along with his nominee withdrew 2 truckload of rice grains in September of 2017. He also mentioned that there are instances of the Khurai MLA threatening the contractor to stockpile the rice grains in his godown. Minister Karam Sham urged the people of the constituency to be sensible enough to know who the real culprit is. He opined that it would be of least importance or least interest for the public to witness arguments between a minister and an MLA in the wake of current political crisis, scarcity of water and various other issues threatening the state.
Khurai gi praja amatana hangbidabra tumina laithokpra haiba wahangama ai thamoida ade phaujai Sing mangi sing pangde habagi matang da ai samakta no office ta lagtana honorable MLA na haiba laite meeting gi mafam amada no mahai gi balai aina contractor webasida Khurai gi sing chak phangdabagi matter se aina hangi kari maram lergena adugi mathakta amuksu praja gi ho la aba kandadi akoi committee Manipur Sarkar gi high level committee ma Governor gi for the order thoga Imphal East DC Commissioner Cap Director yauna inquiry tawjagre hairibi inquiry dugi mat report to akoi in time higher authority da madugi feedback mayamama madugi lairiba soiba aduga further action kari tawgadage se akoi submit tawraga laigre.
Governor P.B. Acharya has stressed on the need to acquire skills and not mere degrees. Speaking at the valedictory event of the 3-day computer workshop for school students and teachers at Raj Bhavan Darbar Hall today, the governor reflected the unemployment issue of 68% of youth with degrees in India. Upanagar Section Mandal Vidya Nidhi, Mumbai, in collaboration with the Directorate of Education as Manipur, organized a workshop motivated by Indian National Fellowship Center Mumbai and sponsored by Saraswat Bank Mumbai since July 8. One school each from Imphal West, Imphal East, Ukhrul and Churachandpur districts were selected for the workshop. Certificates were distributed to student and teacher participants of the workshop in the valedictory event. Governor P.B. Acharya also distributed water tanks to aid in water harvesting to different associations and ashrams and library books for various schools on the occasion.
The need of the hour is the new knowledge. Internet and Google is at our feet. How to make use of digitalization is a great thing for this present age. How to make the best use of IT. We may not have computers in our schools. Don't blame about it. Even a laptop can do the work. The hunger for learning should be there rather than complain government has not given this, that. There are other organizations, political parties to put their government in the straight. Or the government will take care. Friends, you are the lucky people. The present generation has an abundant duty to strengthen yourself by empowering with the knowledge.
Unknown miscreants shot dead a man suspected to be town commander of proscribed United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF in Moray town around noon today. Hill Tribal Council and civil society organizations associated to the council have called ban in Moray till 6 p.m. tomorrow. The incident occurred on the adjoining road of Moray wards number 2 Mission Vang and wards number 8 Ngankai Vang. The deceased is identified as 34-year-old Lalthang John Gangte, son of Kailam Gangte from Lonpi Kunau Sugnu in Chandel district. Moray Police SDPO Binoy Chongtham, Commando OC Ibungo B and other police personnel rushed to the spot to inspect the situation. The deceased sustained 8 bullet marks. Police found one 9mm pistol inside John Gangte's pocket and also recovered several bullet shells and the two-wheeler scooter and torque on which he was riding. The body was taken to Rimsmore for investigations. A combined team of 25th Assam Rifles and Churachandpur Police has recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition suspected to be of proscribed KNF military council at Thangjing Hill Range during Operation Thangjing. Speaking to media during a press meet organized by Red Shield Division at Imphal Airport Battalion today, Commander Brigadier of 27 Sector Assam Rifles H.R. Desai further disclosed that a cadre of KNF Military Council was also arrested during the operation. He stated that the combined team conducted the operation at Thangjing Hill Range following capture of Dampi village chief Lunkholal Lungdim on July 5 by some unknown armed miscreants. However, the armed individuals managed to flee on two-wheelers, leaving behind their SUV vehicle. Commander Brigadier H.R. Desai maintained that village chief Lunkholal Lungdim was released safely around 2:30 p.m. on the same day. He maintained that the combined team continued mass combing operation for 3 more days and recovered the arms left by the proscribed group on July 9. The Commander Brigadier also stated that the team managed to apprehend one suspected cadre of KNF Military Council, Nehemiah, in possession of various arms.
We continued our search operations for another 48 hours, which led to the apprehension of a cadre who was later identified as Mr. Nehemiah of the Kuki National Front Military Council Group. And on his spot questioning, we recovered the second round of arms and ammunition, which included assault rifles, 12-bore rifles, radio sets, and other warlike stores. In the end, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Churachandpur police who were along with us in this continuous operation. I wish to reiterate that we shall continue in our endeavors to provide safety to the local population.
Maira Paibis of Paurabi, Nungoy and Kurai Konjam Lekai staged a protest demonstration today against a recent gunshot by some miscreants at the daughter of human rights defender Mansartabam Sobita from Kakwa Naurem Lekai, Boroi Makong. The sit-in was held at Kurai Konjam Lekai Community Hall. Secretary of Poiraupat Local Farmers Development Cooperative Society Limited, Kulem Tomcha, claimed that IFCD department's failure to clean the riverbeds of Poiraupat and the Taubal River has led to unsustainable harvest at Poiraupat Local. He also expressed disappointment that government has failed to take necessary measures to ease farmers' plights in the wake of scanty rainfall.
अखोई हौजिक एग्री डिपार्टमेंट पोरोपासी सही खुदिंगी लौ लोक याई यादे हार की दरकार लई हेबसे सही खुदिंगी खंगिबने केंद्र निपान खक्तनी एग्री डिपार्टमेंट सही मो ऑफिस ता फंबई मनुंगदा फार्मर कयाना अखोई केंद्र निपान सिदा करी करंबा फार्मर हिंगी करंबा फार्मर न चुमना तौरी हेबसे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट हौजिक खंगदोक पंगमदन लईबा अखोई जे 2009 दनी अखोई रिस्टार्ट तौबा सही खुदिंगी हार की फौ मरुगी गांगनाबसे चुम्मीबरा हेबसे एग्री डिपार्टमेंट खंगबने खंगना सही खुदी हार लौब मतमसिदा पीनीगा लईगा लेतेगा मंत्री ना एमएलए ना हार कयाम चिंगे जे अखोई सिन्ना खंगे खंगबनिना अखोई फार्मर जिंगे सबसाना हार पीबियु
Moray Block Ration Agent Association condemns a claim that some individuals misrepresented the association and urged the local MLA and DSO to change the ration transporter of Moray on July 4. Speaking to media at Moray town today, ration agent Ngamlet strongly condemns the deceitful incident. He urged the relevant authorities not to change the current ration transporter.
Agent mayam na tang nipan da meeting form matung na government nominee thang khulu lokip aiba ma si ekoi na mayam na pamade aduga transporter ani thok pasi ekoi yade yarati koi mayam na authorized toba thang khulu lokip se ma si ekoi agent mayam na pamane si government da ekoi.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on planting of an IED at Imphal Public School gate by unknown miscreants today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Unknown miscreants have planted an improvised explosive device IED at the gate of Imphal Public School IPS in Kanchipur under Singjamay Police Station. Watchmen of the school came across the bomb at the school gate around 5:30 this morning. Upon being informed, a police team including Singjamay Police SDPO and OC led by Imphal West Additional SP Operation Aribam Ganesham rushed to the school and inspected the situation. Later, the state bomb disposal squad recovered the bomb cautiously around 8:15 a.m., after which Manipur Police and bomb disposal squad defused the bomb safely at Kiamgai Local. The IED, which weighed around 2 kg, gelatin paste, detonator, iron nails, highly powerful cordex and other elements were found concealed inside a tea maker. There is no clue as to who and why the bomb was planted. A case has been registered at Singjamay Police Station and investigations are underway. In the meantime, students of Imphal Public School IPS Kanchipur staged a protest demonstration against the planting of an IED at a school gate today. Taking part in the protest, one student of the school, Victoria Asem, condemned the incident which has created panic and fear psychosis among the students. She demanded those miscreants involved in the incident to clarify their motive at the earliest. She also appeals to hold dialogues in case of any misunderstandings instead of such misconduct. The protesting students urged the government to probe the incident at the earliest and give befitting punishments to the miscreants.
aduga ngasigi asigom laba sakhang laba singna school IPS school asida bom thalambagi thawdo ase akhoi chhatra oiba sing akhoi asugi matik singna ba ama oina thoe akhoi chhatra oiba singna school kadraga mahai tamdraga mayamna nungai biba phawi bra yengba nungai bra amadi ngasigi asingom laba sakhang laba singna thamalliba bom thawdo asigi mari laina ba amadi sakhang laba sing adu kana no haja thidok pina bagi damakta police sing amadi mari laina ba singna akhoi gi matik chaba thona amaga loina na thigat pina ba chhatra sing akhoi gi maikai dagi khola amaga
Manipur State Legal Service Authority held a National Lok Adalat at Lamphil Court Complex today. The Lok Adalat, comprising of 4 different bench, heard various 3,000 cases relating to BSNL, motor accident, bank and family matters. Speaking at the event, a member secretary of Manipur State Legal Service Authority, Gaiful Silliu Golmai, stated that Lok Adalat not only aims to solve pending court cases but also to reconcile opposing parties. District Legal Service Authority, Thoubal, also held a Lok Adalat under National Legal Service at the Thoubal Court in Thoubal District today. The Lok Adalat, comprising of 3 different benches, heard various minor cases related to bank loans, telephone bills, etc., and defaulters were imposed fines. Students of areas under the jurisdiction of Lafupa, Tera, Komlakhong Gram Panchayat who secured high marks in the recent class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSEM, COSEM and CBSC were felicitated today. BDO of Wangoi CD Block A. Roman and the GP Pradhan in Bashanta graced the event held at Lafupa, Tera Yangkhong. BDO A. Roman also inaugurated the Panchayat Ghar of Lafupa, Tera, Komlakhong Gram Panchayat on the occasion. Kanglei Indigenous Martial Art and Cultural Society Kimax and Sarit Sarat Association Manipur taught basic self-defense skills to girl students of Ananda Singh Academy, Nongmeibung today. The associations have been carrying out such programs in various schools of the state with an aim to fight crimes against women. District Health Society Chandel opened a health and wellness center under Ayushman Bharat at Tarau, Laimanai, Butrol of Chandel district today. ADC Chandel Executive Member T.S. Kunlun inaugurated the center. Proscribed Kanglekpa Communist Party Military Council in a press release stated that it has resolved to relax some of its restrictions imposed on Manipur People's Party MPP, which is the oldest regional political party of Manipur. KCPMC asserted that the decision was taken upon being intimated by Maoist Communist Party Manipur to give some time to MPP to rectify itself. The press release further notified MPP to reform its Assembly Constituency Committee by the end of July and also reminded that investigations into funds misappropriation by MPP President during elections will continue. A combined team of Patsoi Police and NAP Manipur seized a large quantity of Indian-made foreign liquor worth around 20 lakh rupees during a search drive at New Kaithal Manbi today. The liquors were recovered from a Tata truck bearing registration number MN01Q5026 coming from Jiribam towards Imphal. Altogether, 620 cases of illicit liquor bottles were recovered from the truck. Driver of the truck and the confiscated items were handed over to Patsoi Police Station for further investigation. Laimanai Youth Club Yaripog LYCY in a press release has reminded that all sorts of intoxicants are banned in areas under the jurisdiction of the club. The club has also warned of stern actions against violators of the ban imposed. Now the sports news. 6-month grassroots football program of Eastern Students Club kicked off at the multipurpose hall of the club in Nongmeibung today. More than 60 girls and boys between the age of 5 to 15 will participate in the football training program. President of Nongmeibung Women Development Mairapai Association N. Benny, ESC President N. Indrajit, Vice President T.H. Sarat, W. Ishwar Chandra, L. Tarun Kumar, Advisor K. Dinesh and many people attended the event. Speaking to media, Club Secretary Taurangbam Jodha asserted that football is the most favored game in the world and footballers of the state have excelled in various national and international tournaments. He asserted that the grassroots training program aims to inspire youths and produce great footballers from the state. Speaking to media, coach of the training program and eminent footballer W. Tomba assured of sharing his national and international experiences to the participating youths during the program. Sports kits were also distributed to young footballers on the occasion.
Hogolaiba nahar angangsing grassroots tagi hoga khoina football sigi program angka khoina tokjabani inklaiba sanoi singbu matik chaba sanoi ma oinaba gidamakta tokjabani Sunday and holiday numida tokjagadamni loina hujibawta angangsing humbu muki matakta enroll tawre haijaba tare
hujik matamsidi grassroots gi semdragadi players e hujik yadre chauraga sana ya ponte banatra hujik matamsidi angangsingse aina khar haijaba haijaba sanajaba hanagi mapanda kya sanajaba singdo adugi kitang haijaba singdo adune aina angangsingda takjage tawgersi kitang tawgersi moina haigragadi moisu laidana bonda moide bon sananing manina bondgi mahido moisu sajanaba na mogi matengdo ai pangmo pamai.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. MPCC President Gaikangam demands BJP government to produce white paper on recent overdraft issue. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham warns of strict actions against owners of oil pumps facing shortage of fuel. Governor P.B. Acharya urges students to acquire skills and not mere degrees to curb unemployment crisis. And unknown miscreants killed suspected proscribed UKLF town commander in Moray town around noon. CSOs called ban in Moray till 6 p.m. of July 14.